Well, it is Tuesday and I am back in the office. I was in Carbon County this morning representing a client in Jim Thorpe, Pennsylvania at a sentencing. And like I said before, while the trial didn't go our way, the sentencing went very well and I was very satisfied with the result. With that said, tomorrow I will be back in Philadelphia representing a client there, and followed by representing a client in Gloucester County, New Jersey. So another busy week for our law firm, both in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. We'll be coming out with an article this week regarding pretrial motions, and specifically the most common pretrial motions that your criminal defense lawyer can and should be following in many of your cases. Now, with that said, it's important to understand that in many criminal cases, the most powerful weapon that an attorney has isn't necessarily trial arguments, it is the pretrial arguments, specifically pretrial motions to suppress evidence. And in that article, I will detail the most common motions that your attorney should be thinking about. In addition, I'll be coming out with some articles regarding pretrial discovery and what you need to look for and what should be included in your discovery. If you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. Traveling into Pennsylvania today from New Jersey, from my home in Morristown, New Jersey, I noticed a lot of police presence both on the Pennsylvania and New Jersey highways. We are entering the final few weeks of 2021. And we understand that there will be an increased presence both in Pennsylvania and New Jersey on the roads, specifically on the highways, especially on the weekends. A lot of people are taking time off and are kind of out of their schedule. We found that during this time, DUIs and DWIs tend to spike in Pennsylvania and New Jersey, and we put a lot of content both in our video content and in our blog content regarding what you should do if you're stopped for DUI and DWI. As I always indicate, never refuse the chemical test, whether it be a breath test or a blood test in Pennsylvania and New Jersey, but do not give consent to search your vehicle. With regards to guns and firearms, I've done a lot of content on the difference between Pennsylvania and New Jersey. Please keep that in the back of your mind. If you are traveling between the states, do not take your Pennsylvania gun into New Jersey. And remember that if you're traveling in New Jersey with your gun, you are more than likely breaking the law under the Graves Act. It was nearly impossible to get a permit to carry in New Jersey. There are exceptions to carrying a weapon in your car, but those exceptions are just if you're traveling through the state. And if you're traveling through the state, the gun needs to be in a gun lockbox and the ammunition needs to be kept separately. You can't keep the gun on your seat or under the seat, and obviously it can't be loaded. But again, if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The website, GamboneLaw.com. As always, a tremendous resource for you and your family. All of my books, my blogs, my videos are available there in one convenient format. We've just uploaded all of our latest YouTube videos. I think we have over 250 videos on the website. In addition, those videos are also available on our Facebook page, and we obviously share them whenever we can. Whenever we upload a new video, it's just valuable content that we believe needs to get out there. But if you have questions, I also encourage you to download my no-cost strategy books. There's 5 available there on GamboneLaw.com. They answer a lot of the most common questions that we deal with both in Pennsylvania and New Jersey regarding the most common offenses. So once again, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. Have a great Tuesday, and I'll talk to you all very soon.